Hello, dear wonderful homeroom. I just wanted to record a video to say good morning and welcome back to school. I hope you all had a great spring break. I did a jigsaw puzzle. That was pretty much it. It was very exciting. Yeah, I would love to hear what you guys did over spring break. Now, I know there's a lot of hard stuff going on. It's been a little rough. I've been really sad about this whole not going back to school, and I know you guys probably are too. And I want you to know it's okay to be sad. It's a real bummer. But I am really grateful that we have so many tools that we can use to communicate. We have Google Classroom and we have Zoom. I will be on Zoom every day and I would love to see you. Your teachers all have new office hours, so make sure you check those out. I will be on Zoom from 11:15 to 11:55. Come, even if it's just to say hi. Your teachers miss you. Your classmates miss you. We want to see your beautiful faces. So come to Zoom. Also, make sure you ask if you have any questions. Your teachers are here to help you. Okay? So email us, ask us for a Zoom conference, check our Zoom office hours. We want to be here for you guys. So I also wanted to share what I read this morning because I thought it was fitting. I'm reading out of Psalm 40. Okay, so it's a Psalm of David. And he says, I wait patiently for the Lord. He inclined to me and heard my cry. He drew me up from the pit of destruction, out of the miry bog, and set my feet upon the rock, making my steps secure. He put a new song in my mouth, a song of praise to our God. Many will see and fear and put their trust in the Lord. Blessed is the man who makes the Lord his trust, who does not turn to the proud, to those who go astray after a lie. You have multiplied, O Lord my God, your wondrous deeds and put your thoughts towards us. None can compare with you. I will proclaim them and tell of them. They are more than can be told. The psalm goes on just to talk about how faithful God is and how present he is, and just that his love continues in hard times. And I would totally encourage you guys to read Psalm 40. And we started an activity of making a list of things that we're thankful for. And I think in this time it can be really easy to see a lot of negatives, to say that this bad thing is happening and this bad thing is happening and this is not cool and I don't like this. But I want to encourage you guys, as we're going through kind of a rough time, to look for the positives, to look for things that you're thankful for, to look for ways that God has been and is continuing to be awesome. Because he is good and he is he is in our lives. He's in this situation, and I know that even myself, it can be tough sometimes. I'm like, oh, there's so much negative, there's so much sorrow, there's so much heartache. But I'm encouraging myself, and I'm encouraging you guys to look for positive, to look for ways that God is still working, and to look for things that you're thankful for. So I would love to hear what you guys are thankful for today. One thing that I'm really thankful for is this weather has been amazing. Even right now I hear birds chirping outside my window. I love all this nature. I also love, I've been running around my neighborhood. I never run around my neighborhood. I get to see all my neighbors from 6 feet away. But it's fun to see people that I wouldn't normally see and see things I wouldn't normally see. So I want to encourage you guys as well. Look for ways that God is just showing you positive things and things to be thankful for. Okay? I love you guys. I miss you guys. And I hope to see your faces on Zoom. Okay?